Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you're tired of your super glue drying out on you after one use because you opened it up and did one project and now you have to toss it out, well, no longer. This here is a super glue and it's a GH1200 super glue. And what that is this one here is a game changer because it's going to give you a dual applicator. So you do get the traditional nozzle here with a screw and tap to keep everything still liquid inside. And then this will get you for those precise, smaller to reach places. But if you wanted a brush, you can unscrew this and then you get that brush. You see there? And this is kind of like a gel substance. So it'll go on and stay on and it should dry within like 40 seconds. So here is a dual applicator super glue that's going to be great for all your DIY projects. If you're fixing anything, and I've used it, trust me, on ceramic mugs, jewelry even. So this thing here is going to be able to harden within 40 seconds. It has a professional grade formula that is thick enough to stay in place and not leave any messy residue too. So it's also dries clear. And so I highly recommend this. This is something you're going to want in your junk drawer. And this is my go-to super glue.